Baylis, who was appointed CBE by the Queen for his services to intellectual property in 2015, passed away at his home in Twickenham, southwest London, today. David Bunting, who runs his company, Trevor Baylis Brands, said he had been ill for a long time and has no living relatives. Baylis had been suffering from Crohn's disease, which left him seriously debilitated. Paying tribute, Mr. Bunting said, "He made an enormous difference as the sole inventor in this company and did a tremendous amount to publicize their role and the importance of the inventions." Scotland Yard said his death is not being treated as suspicious and a file will be prepared for the coroner. Baylis developed the wind-up radio in 1992 for people in the Third World who do not have access to electricity or batteries. He was well known for championing the rights of inventors and was often outspoken about intellectual property rights. The inventor was awarded an OBE in 1997 for his radio design and met the Queen at Windsor Castle to receive his CBE in 2015. Speaking after the ceremony, Baylis said, "We are all inventors, irrespective, and it should be part of the national curriculum. I am pushing and pushing so that kids have a good chance to bring their ideas to market. It is amazing how invention can change so many people's lives, both socially and commercially, but we should take them seriously." Baylis championed intellectual property rights after being left totally broke despite millions of his inventions being sold around the world. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun online news team? Email us at tips@thesun.com.